Hey guys, how do you surprise your kids whenever Christmas is just the next day around? Well, previous video, Daniel and Kira, these two, bought him
a Ryobi tool set.
This nice big Ryobi tool set. And me, being me, I am, since Daniel will be 12 years old and bought his own pickup already, I fooled his into believing that this was for his brother Dominic.
Which you can see. So
yeah.
Towed a big 31-foot fifth wheel with my little truck. His
little 86 Ford pulled a 31-foot fifth wheel across the field and the yard and all that, way up a hill. And this is what I just got Daniel for his birthday.
Which is not for another 2 days. But...
which is a couple days after Christmas. So, you guys who are tracking my build out here, I know this is back-to-back family interest videos maybe, but still building. But this is a tool set you can get for your kid. Dependable tool set. Husky brand coming out of Home Depot. So, let's see what he finds in his tool set.
Okay, so we got these. These are ratchets, but they are the 5 degree, I believe.
5 degree, yes.
And it goes from 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. And you got the little wrenches that you need.
Machinist wrenches.
And then you got all these sockets.
You got the full array of sockets, both what, metric and standard both, and a full complement of wrench set.
And all these extensions.
And a bunch of extensions for each one of the individual ratchets. Now down here he's got, I think you can pull the whole drawer out. I think the whole thing comes out. There you go.
So here's where you got some metric, but these are little sockets. They're not that big.
Smaller degree sockets.
And you got this in a quarter driver. You put bits in it like this. And you got all these Allen wrenches.
Very good. Metric standard. Millwright. Yep. Daniel's learning millwright work, so
yeah.
he has a good idea on his tools. This kid here is going to be a millwright. This one over here has been working with me as a solar installer, and this one here has been working with me running electrical, and plumbing work.
Then right here is where you have all of the, got some standard and metric in there. And you got these that hook up into your ratchets too. Like that DeWalton pack we got. Got a whole set of that. And how you can tell that it's not your brothers or sisters is it's all branded.
All got Husky name on it. So see, Dominic has a whole arrangement of tools that are of one brand. Kira has a bunch of tools that are Stanley, and he has a bunch of tools now that are Husky. He also has a Stanley set also. But this means he gets to pass them down to one of the other kids.
These are not ratchets, but still, they look pretty nice. They got the chrome finish, and instead of the cheap ones you get at Harbor Freight, this one actually has a good plastic case. Well, it's not like cheap plastic, it's like...
Yeah, this one here is riveted together. It's pretty solid. Actually has pretty good slide action on the drawers. That's nice. No trouble getting them back in, huh?
No.
Very good.
Hey Dad, what's this itty bitty one used for?
These itty bitty tools are used for a lot for machine work, electrical work. Some of the stuff we do when we put the little bolts in on the solar panels, things like that.
What I like about these though, is these are 5 degrees instead of the 9 degrees. You can
Or whatever.
Yeah, 72 tooth, I think.
All right, so how does it set up for locking and closing and carrying? Can't wait till he's 12 in a couple of days. Make carrying that a lot easier, won't it?
Yeah. And since it's in a case like this, kind of like that, you can just throw it in the back of your pickup truck.
All right, so we've got two kids in this video and the last video that just got their tools for Christmas. Doing this early because I got a cattle run to go do for Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas to me. And the third kid got her a cell phone. Yeah, it's a flip phone. I'm not that foolish to get her a smartphone.
I think it's kind of cool that it got all these laid out like this in the hood. That makes it have a lot more room than that Harbor Freight set I bought when I was like 8 or something.
He bought him a Harbor Freight set, 130 piece,
Yeah.
when he was 8 years old.
That went with the Harbor Freight desk I bought, but
Hell of a start.
this one I think's a lot better.
You even got good handles on it, so you can drag it in your truck or carry it like that, a little easier. All right, guys, giving y'all a little video, just a kind of a common public video. And once again, this is our project. Gonna start working on it. We got the welder set up, and Daniel's got his metal up here somewhere. All his metal pieces. We're gonna start cutting those soon.
Welding
But
them right up in here.
we've got them going in where?
Here.
So we're gonna have these large pieces. All right, so this piece here, he's gonna be getting this set up.
This is a piece of C-channel, I believe. It came from a Harbor Freight trailer that we built to be a double axle. And it will go on right like that.
Okay, so as you see there, that's going to be the frame, and he'll hold it there. That will be the frame piece where the metal is going to be mounted to come up, bolt into the existing wood, and go all the way around with sheet metal inside to protect the inside of the trailer. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. We got more videos coming on this one after Christmas, and it's a project, but we're making it happen. We've already got the walls screwed down back here in the back.
We got the
Plywood.
outriggers.
All the outriggers are done and screwed down. And the materials that we're using are just basic stuff you can find everywhere. A lot of stuff comes from Tacoma Screw, order online, and I'd say use that. It's a good site. All right, guys, y'all be good.